Hey Fit Family, so just want to show you guys how to get in on our Zoom workouts. So I've been sharing this link around. Looks like that. You're going to come up onto a Calendly calendar. Alright, so we're done for this month. Wow, we're done for this month. Alright, so we're going into April. Alright, we can click on tomorrow. Alright, and I'm just going to put in test, email, test at burkhart.ca. And schedule event. Done there. Now I go back to my email. Go back to inbox. And shortly we got the confirmation. Awesome. So then what we do is the confirmation. This is the link. So you're going to want to go to this link. Okay. And download and run Zoom. So we're going to download Zoom. Do you want to allow download? Yes, I want to allow that. All right. It's going to download. We're going to install it. And then we're going to have to go back to that link after, okay? So, is it downloaded already? It is, so let's download that. Let's install that. Continue. This is on Mac. This process here will happen PC, Mac, iPad, iPhone, all those things. Now, join meeting or sign in. So, let's just cancel this because I don't think you need to do anything else. And Zoom, yes, you want to allow it to use your microphone because I definitely want to hear you. And then you go back to that original email. And then, so now say it's 5 minutes to the meeting or 10 minutes to the workout, you just click on this again. And now you say allow, open up app. It'll open up the Zoom app right into meeting scheduled. Now this one doesn't start till tomorrow, so workout over Zoom. So it's scheduled, just shows you that it's not really ready yet. So that's how you get in. So you got to install it. Once it's installed, you don't even need it open or anything like that. You just go back to that email, right? So let's close all this. Let's do that again. Close all this. So this, hey, test, workout, Zoom with blah, 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 right? And click this link. You can join the meeting with the computer or tablet with that link. Allow, and it will open right up. And if the meeting was going, you would pop up a meeting. You know what? Let me see if I can start this meeting earlier. So if I go to my computer, so I'm just going to pause this recording real quick. All right, so I went and I started. I went and started it on my other computer. Let's open this up now. Go allow. And your name. So we're going to go test. Join. There we go. And now you can see me testing it out from my camera on my other computer. And do you want to yes. All right. And it's simple as that. And hopefully we can use that link again tomorrow. I'm pretty sure we can. So it's as simple as that, guys. Join with computer audio is what you want to do as well. Now you can hear the echo. All right, guys. I hope that helps. Sometimes I see 20 people reserved for the Zoom workout, but only 10, 12 might show up. So I'm thinking you guys are having a little difficulty getting in on this. So I just wanted to walk through that, guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.